This recipe went completely viral. When I posted the short, which I will link, everyone has absolutely loved it. So I decided to make a long video, and I know that you're gonna love it too. This is such a classic, it's like a retro recipe. I would never really just think, oh, let me put pineapple in a cake, but it actually tastes so delicious. It's kind of like carrot cake when it has pineapple in it, but without that carrot or like the zucchini or any of those flavors. It's just all pineapple all the time.
Now I'm reserving a tablespoon of pineapple juice from the can of pineapple, and then I'm gonna whisk together my dry ingredients, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then you will mix in 2 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and add that can of crushed pineapples. It's a 20-ounce can. Mix that together until it's nice and smooth.
It's soft and fluffy, and I made it into a sheet cake because that's just so much easier baking a cake in a 9x13 pan. You don't have to worry about layers or leveling or whatever. You just frost it and take it. It's great for a potluck, but you could also make this as a layer cake if you wanted to. Now, don't forget what goes best with any of these kind of cakes like carrot or zucchini or pineapple? Cream cheese frosting, that's right.
This is a cream cheese whipped cream, so you're gonna beat 8 ounces of cream cheese with a cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add in that reserved pineapple juice, and then slowly whisk in 1.5 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. You're gonna beat that at high speed until stiff peaks form.
This is such a good, you can see how moist and fluffy this cake is. The pineapple adds so much flavor. I didn't think I would like it, but I actually really did like this cake. I know you're going to absolutely love it. Leave me a comment and let me know your favorite like retro classic recipes that you want to see. If you don't subscribe to my channel already, be sure to do so and keep watching for even more cake recipes.